Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of retirement party decorations, and I've got something special to show you. If you're in charge of planning a retirement celebration, you want it to be memorable, right? Well, look no further because I've found the best retirement decoration kit on the market. Introducing the Kuxriox 20PCS Happy Retirement Party Decorations Kit for both men and women. This kit has everything you need to throw an unforgettable retirement party. From banners to balloons, honeycomb centerpieces to swirl paper pom-poms, this set has it all. Let's talk design. The Kuxriox kit features a classy black, gold, and silver color scheme with fun retirement-themed elements like stars, balloons, coffee cups, and cakes. It's tasteful yet festive, perfect for honoring the retiree's transition to a new chapter of life. Now, one thing I love about this kit is how easy it is to assemble. Whether you're an experienced party planner or a first-timer, setting up these decorations is a breeze. The double-sided cards, banners, posters, and hanging swirls all come with pre-cut holes, making assembly a snap. And let's talk about quality. The Kuxriox kit is made of high-quality cards, metal foil, and polyester, ensuring that your decorations not only look great but also withstand the rigors of partying. They're lightweight, easy to hang, and can be reused for future celebrations. In conclusion, if you want to throw the ultimate retirement party that will be talked about for years to come, look no further than the Kuxriox 20PCS Happy Retirement Party Decorations Kit. With its stylish design, easy assembly, and high-quality materials, it's the perfect choice for celebrating the next chapter in someone's life. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy party planning!